Guys, welcome to another King and Gaming YouTube video. It's me, your boy King and Gaming, and I'm gonna play this season. So we got some new cars. I'm just gonna show you car. I don't know these actual car names. So as you can see, I just have classic cars in my. I got a F40, some limited, do some modded.
We get it cars.
No.
Let's get it cars.
Copyrighted music by something. Okay.
But what for that?
So new car. It's a LaFerrari. I think it's just a LaFerrari Aperta or a or just a regular LaFerrari. Then you have the McLaren P1. Then you have the then we got the Pagani. I forgot what its name, but you can actually see it open.
We can drift.
Open.
That's what we can see.
So as you can see, you have a big V12 in the Ferrari. And I think they remodeled these cars. So in the 4GT, you can see like the big muscle V8.
But that's drift.
Then in the Hellcat, the Hellcat look much more better. No, unless this is the new Hellcat. Yeah, it looks like the new Hellcat.
But
So as you can see the supercharger, everything look nice. I can buy this right now, but I'm not gonna buy it in the other video.
It's Tokyo.
The new C8 Corvette ZL1 or so. I forgot what his name. Okay. I think it's that.
It's Tokyo.
And you have the 4GT. It's not really a limited one. It's just like 149k. I'm gonna earn some money and then do a video on that. I'm show you some of my new cars. So then and then the AMG is remodeled. So there's remodel. I think it's a V8 turbo. I used to have this McLaren. If you didn't watch my video, I used to have this McLaren, but I sold it to buy other car for YouTube videos. But it's remodeled. It's remodelable. The wing pop out now. It used to pop out. It did pop out. 4GT, the wings go, the something go up. So then I got those. I really want this, bro. Like, I was watching a video on YouTube one time, and I see a old Toyota truck up modify, and I think like it's this modify like 100k mods on the car, and he beat this fucking vehicle, he pull it to the dust, and this is over $1 million in real life.
That's looking nice.
Then you got the Koenigsegg, not Agera. You have the Koenigsegg Rogera. I think it's a Rogera, whatever. I forgot what his name. But don't beat me up just because I don't remember any name, guys. I will remember what his name. But I think it's a double 16. No, not a double 16. A big V8 twin turbo. I think so. You can type it up if you want. If I get it wrong, just say it in the comment section. And we have this car. Oh my gosh, man. I saw this car on YouTube every time. And I remodeled this. The Bugatti Bolide. But it's just those also. Nothing really. And so it's just that alone, Just in my F40 with some new rims on it, You got the F40 from the front, but you don't have the F40 from the back. But my brother's gonna race. So peace out, guys. Bye. Enjoy your day.